So this is a 2-liter from a 15 GTI that had some oil issues. I think the car was running without oil for a while or whatever, but we've just been using it as a display. Figure might as well take this turbo and put it on our Alltrack. So the Alltracks come with a IS20, and the GTIs come with a turbo that's slightly less small. So we're gonna take this one from our display engine and put it on that car.
Are planning to do IS38. UNITRONIC doesn't have the software yet, so the reason why we're doing this one is just because we have it sitting around. We are gonna swap out for an IS38 once we have the software for it, but that's why we're not doing new, just because we have this thing sitting around for the time being. There we go.
You know where you're not gonna be able to use those?
Inside the car.
Yep.
For sure.
It's a gorgeous day outside. For what's left of one anyways.
But we have an Alltrack to work
Available at shopdap.com.
That doesn't make up for you not helping.
I help. It's a one-man operation right now.
You guys want to stay here until 3 o'clock in the morning?
I do not want to stay here until 3 o'clock in the morning.
It took 5 minutes over there, so in theory it should take 5 minutes.
It basically is going to be the same exact amount of time. Imagine, can you not wait until we do a DIY on this? I know I can't. See, that's the money that you get with hose pliers. You see how easy that was? Oh, Jesus. I didn't expect, because it was a return line, for there to be a lot of coolant in there.
I know I'm not helping. If I were in there, I would also not be helping. But at least now I'm helping myself.
Someone posted on the Volkswagen.
Huh?
You're doing a great job.
Oh, thanks for the encouragement. I really appreciate it.
Is there anything else for you? Intake?
What's
Intake and a tune?
Oh, jeez.
You made a mess?
Sorry, I made your roll cart dirty. It's leaking right there. We may have put too much pressure on this axle. It's surrendered. Just the boot, though. Just the boot. Downpipe. You show them that box with the integrated engineering logo on it.
Oh my God.
Ooh, what's that? What could it be? Integrated engineering.
I don't know, man. What is that? Pretty much we're going to be a race car.
Look at it.
It's not a big deal.
But it's still emissions compliant because it's got a catalyst.
Catalyst converter.
H2O.
We love the environment and going fast.
The environment is our friend. That's why we drive through it.
Sure. Oh, shit, they sent us a koozie.
Don't operate heavy machinery
While using your new koozie.
while using your koozie. Yeah.
Unless it's
only
using
for
it for
soda.
Road soda.
No. Yeah. for all the alcoholics at home, you know what he's talking about. For the rest
For all
of
you kids, it's soda on the road.
Right now we're moving the engine and trans so the drive shaft can push up and out of the way so we can get the downpipe out. This is why you can't do a downpipe on the ground on an all-wheel drive car.
Challenge accepted, I bet somebody's gonna say.
Now, people have done it. You have to get it high enough that you can get the angle out, because this is a problem.
But the OEM flex joints are really good, at least.
Yes, they're super
No,
flexible.
you need to pull the engine forward again. Okay. Please.
We have a DIY on this, so if you want, don't pay attention to all
But
this
it's on a front-wheel
shaking
drive
he's
car.
doing. No, we didn't do an all-wheel drive one.
Really?
On a Golf R, yeah. We have a DIY on MQB 180 or 2-liter turbo downpipe. It's probably a little more thorough than this particular video.
We cut out all of the shaking in that one that we did.
There's no struggling in that video.
Because we edited it all out.
Because
Haha! You didn't unclick it from the god clip, you mother.
it's hooked on that.
And this episode will be the best one yet.
You might even say it's so lit, fam.
Don't make this weird.
I thought we had a problem.
Wait, this is probably still a problem.
The problem is solved.
I don't want to go that far. Give me that. We have a replacement of that. Who's rocking out? Is that a Jesus hymn?
This is Christ the Savior is born.
Is it really?
It's definitely a Christmas song.
Oh yeah.
Radio's on in here.
What? In the Alltrack? In the Alltrack?
Yeah.
Dude, that's your phone.
Oh my God, it is my phone. Oh my God. That's amazing. It is Christmas music.
Why are you listening to Christmas music?
I wasn't. It just.
I was like, man, that's really loud.
It's a saved song on Apple Music.
All right, I'm gonna give up on that and move on to something else.
What are you struggling
You gotta rotate it. You gotta rotate
I did rotate it.
Take it off.
Oh, this one? Pull it off right here? Pull that off?
it. You gotta rotate it.
Done.
By the way, this is Jack.
Yeah, but we don't have
Hi.
one of these.
He's our lighting guy.
I'm the light guy.
See what was got going on.
This is really a terrible situation I got going on here. So we have to take all these lines here off the bottom of the turbo. Well, we're taking them off from the engine block. So I'm gonna do that. They're all triple squares, 8 mils.
They are a pain in the butt. Regardless, they're gonna be a pain.
To get in the block? The
Yeah.
worst to get in the block, you think?
Yeah.
I'm gonna try.
Him.
Hey, go for it.
I'm not taking your advice.
You do you.
I may regret this.
You might.
Wow. It was more than I expected.
Oh, it's really, aren't you glad you weren't standing right there?
The worst I ever had with coolant was a car that I was pulling the hose like this.
Oh, you're doing what? I'm sorry, do it again.
I was pulling the hose like this,
and then it splooged all over
and
your
then
face.
I pulled it out and it sprayed directly in my mouth. I'm not kidding. Up there are lines up there that come from the turbo and go down to the block. We're removing them from here, but because they use just a seal fitting, it's kind of a press fit, they are extremely snug in there, and they're a pain to get out. We've also made a mess.
I was gonna say, how did the Alltrack do on the tail of the Dragon?
Terrible. It's lifted. It's lifted with truck tires on it. How do you think it did? I'm faring just fine. I'm finding myself particularly excited because I really enjoy doing turbos and in the evening.
I
That
see what
guy.
you're doing. Take this guy.
Yeah, picking up what I'm putting down.
I am picking up what you're putting down, and I am not too upset with it.
You think we're gonna blow this thing up when we put the IS38 on it?
Could be. I think there's a decent chance.
Look at him, he doesn't have trouble pulling out.
No, well,
No, hey.
He just does it like it's not even trouble.
well, I'm sure you.
It
Probably,
is. No, it is trouble.
Yeah, I'm sure.
It is definitely trouble.
They all don't come out like
that's
that.
off.
You know
Okay.
why? Because it's a 17 car.
Yeah. Barely driven because crash.
Hey, thanks for working on our car.
Yeah, man.
Just out of nowhere.
You know, just doing the same thing, the exact same thing I did today.
Oh yeah, you did a turbo and Alltrack.
I did do a turbo on an Alltrack.
Oh, yeah, an Alltrack you did?
Yeah.
How about that? That's neat.
Yeah, man. It's fresh in my mind.
Yeah, but it wasn't a bigger turbo.
Something's hanging me up here. I don't think I need assistance, but all
look
these
like you need assistance.
these lines are causing a slight amount of struggle.
These eyes?
These eyes.
Cry every night for you.
Come on, you got this.
Oh, that guy's in the way. This helps. See?
Look how little it is.
That's a little guy.
So cute. Oh, it's already upgraded, IS20. No. It's bigger. You can't really tell.
By how much? 8 millimeters?
This much.
Bigger. Now put it the other side, and you can see. See? It's bigger.
Science. Turbo turbulence reducer. Poorly installed, sir. That was much better installed.
It's fine. It doesn't fit though.
It's supposed to be tension fit. There'd be seals at the base as opposed to this one. This one doesn't seal at the base. Okay,
I thought you were using my Torx.
Okay.
Torqued?
You didn't even do an Ooga Dooga on this one.
I didn't know good
That's a loose.
Really?
That's not enough Ooga Doogas on that one. There you go. And that's how you install a turbo. Cut it, Nathan.
It's
Cut this shit out.
Let's take it for a spin.
You want to fire it up? It'll be really loud. Not make a lot of power.
I gotta verify because we have some lines that we swapped differently. So this one has to come off, this 10 mil. UNITRONIC, deliver the power.
Max.
Can I help? Oh,
What is
deliver the strength.
I'm delivering the power. This goes here, like this.
Yeah. Spit on it.
There you go, problem solved.
Enough to install that.
All right, now we are going in. I'm not sure. I'm not sure how well this is gonna go in, but
Spit on it first.
I might need to come back out.
Probably gonna.
Yeah.
You're getting hung up on this hose here. Oh, you're not.
No, I'm not. I'm still getting hung up on the block right there. That stud right there.
Rip the gasket off. I'm gonna go get another new gasket off our old engine.
All right, there we go.
The good news is we've got another similar condition gasket.
All right.
This turbo is just so
Yeah, I
big.
know, it's hanging out.
It's such a big
this
turbo.
turbo is
fit.
so huge.
You want me to stand
I'm
up
taking
on
a
it?
break. I'm taking a break.
It's not like it's gonna fall down there.
My lower back is hurting.
My neck and
Trying
my
to get
back.
this thing in?
All right, Rick's turn.
I wanted to tag in.
Did you just call him Rick?
My name's not Rick! My name's not Rick! Hey, Paul.
Why were you
God,
calling him
man.
Rick?
Yo, you got it in?
It's in.
How many times did you call him Rick tonight?
First of all, I just want to start by saying, that's not fair because you just did one today. Because you did one only hours ago.
He was fueled by anger of being called Rick.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Anytime you can get somebody to do anything else for you,
It's the best.
is a win.
It is the absolute best.
Yeah. All right. You mother
This is a family-friendly channel.
that.
There are gonna be so many cracks.
Where'd Max go?
He went to go get the hose, the cool bottle. I literally have no idea. Oh, this is what I'm telling you. I'm like, why do I have this Torx in my hands? I know I have it for a reason. No,
Dude, it's been 30 minutes and it's looked
12.
like you made zero progress.
He has made zero progress. Flashing the car with our IS20 software.
Oh yeah?
Yeah.
It's Silent Night.
Right now, I'm putting the bottom items on, messing with these cooling hoses and the return lines for the coolant, and I think the feed line for the coolant as well still has to go on. They got to be popped into the block, and then we are hopefully going to start assembling downpipe and all that stuff.
Here at shopdap.com, we carry only the finest of Stage 2 IS20 Unitronic tunes.
I'm literally going blind here.
Why? Are you squinting really hard?
No, I'm like not that kind of blind, not like bird box kind of blind, not like
That's
that.
just when they tied a towel over their eyes.
Well, no, because they went to the place with the blind people, right?
Yeah, but they didn't blind themselves.
It's true.
Wrap your head in
Crispy
this
right there.
Oh yeah,
I like it. I like it. I don't like that.
that's
I like
fine.
That.
That's
Is it done?
Get under there.
Ow! You hit me in the head with it. But goes up. Yes, yes, yes. Oh yes, Cuban B.
Just applying that special sauce.
All these fancy cars now.
All these fancy
All them
cars
fancy
there.
schmancy
Electronic
fucking
waste gates. Yeah, and then I do that.
Oh yeah, that's extremely unhelpful.
This is what you're doing. You're
You just gotta put yourself in there.
Listen. You practice the motions whenever you get the opportunity. All right. That way, when it's f***ing game time, you're ready. All right.
Okay.
We're basically getting this party just about started.
It's just started at 1 a.m.
Yeah, man.
I mean, what happened in this situation here?
What is that?
This thing's been.
What is that thing, Jay?
It's been jumping rope. It's been jumping rope here.
It's been spun a time or two.
That hose
At least
is
a new car.
very close to just screaming, ah!
Did you get this thing seated on all the way?
I mean, it's so nice to see somebody else do that for once. So right now, Max is trying to squeeze the air out of the cooling system and trying to squirt me in the face with coolant. That's his ultimate goal. And he's approaching it, but I don't think he actually doesn't possess the power to actually do it. Yes, I finally threaded this screw. And to be clear,
Because it bled down.
to be clear, I threaded this screw in and I didn't even drop it one time. Yeah. Racing line hose, it's to go with our racing line intake,
Which we don't have.
which we're not putting on tonight because we're too tired.
Because it's
So we're just
2
gonna put it
o'clock.
to an air box.
Let's go home.
Big turbo power.
All right, big turbo.
All right.
There's so much stuff in the back. It was a poor choice.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god.
Are you excited?
Dude, this thing is fast.
It's all right. I mean,
Would you stop? No. You stop right
I
there.
need to figure out what those sounds are. The poppies.
Well, we this thing is legitimately fast.
Wait till we put the IS38 on it, and all that stuff's not slanging around in the back. I love your reactions to this. This is so good. That makes it all worth it.
It's fast.
That makes it all worth it.
Just because you drive race cars for a living and you...
I mean, no, it's quick. It's definitely quick.
We've loaded our crap up in the trunk of the Alltrack, including our IS12. We are done for tonight. Max was impressed with it. I haven't driven it yet, but I will at a later time.
Not as impressed as Nathan was.
Not as impressed as Nathan. Wow.
It was pretty nice.
It's pretty good.
It's pretty good. So,
It can take on the S4 any day.
That's
that
not
seems
true.
unlikely. Check out the next episode of our Alltrack where we will do a few more odds and ends, and our future episodes we'll do more performance stuff like our turbo.
Now we're gonna take out the garbage.
Now we're gonna take the garbage out.